Just to give you a brief overview of the Points and Contests school database system. In order to access the system, you need to navigate to Site Control, click on Apps, and then click on Points and Contests school database. It doesn't really matter in which order you add these profiles. You'll always be able to associate one to the other after they are already added. So first I'm going to add a class. Click Add a Record. Class name, grade 1, room 104, schedule 9 to 10 a.m. Click Save Changes. Next I'm going to add a teacher. Rabbi Mendel, teacher, position teacher. I'm going to click Add Classes, select the class, and click Add Selected Items. Now you're going to see that the grade is associated to this profile, and click Save Changes. Next I'm going to add a student. Click Add Record, Mendel, student, associate him to grade 1, and give him an email, Mendel student at mailinator.com. Click Save Changes. And lastly, I'm going to add the family. Add record. Father's name is Mr. Mendel's father, and give him an email address, Mendel's father at mailinator.com. Click Add Children, select the child, and click Add Selected Items, and Save Changes. So now we have a class, a teacher, a family, and a student. After you upload the families, you can click View the filter options, View All Classes, and you would email all these parents, giving them directions how they would log in to view their profile. And that is by navigating to, let's just get an idea, log in to view profile. And they would do that by navigating to my.yourdomain.com or .org, whatever your domain is. In this case, we're working with a domain called YMML, so they would go to a domain my.ymml.org in order to sign up to log into their profile. And you should indicate in the email that they must use the address that they received this email to in order to log in. So I'm going to go to my.ymml.org. As you can see, it's already all loaded. The first name's there, Mendel's father, the email address, and click Submit, new users. And it's going to say activating your account. We've sent you an email. So let's go to the email address and see if we got an email. And here's the email. Click on it. It's going to tell me you have to click over here to register. So I'm clicking to register. Set a password. Mendel is the password. Save changes. And now I should be inside my profile. It's creating an account for this user. And now you can see that I'm inside the profile. I'm able to see the homework, the scores, your students' profiles, my family profile, my children's upcoming homework and projects, who my children's teachers are, and their specific profiles. Let me go back to Site Control. A teacher can then click on Homework and Exams and click by a specific class, apply filter, add a record, and say that there's a specific homework for this class, grade 1, title, exam Monday. Description, it's going to be very easy, a very easy exam. It's going to be a very easy exam. And send alert to parents, send alert to students. Automatically when they save changes, it'll send an alert. For this, I'm not going to do that. Click Save Changes. The end date has already passed. Oops, let me do a end date is the 14th of, this is display date, the 14th of August. Click Save Changes. Let's go back to the parent's profile, reload the page. And you're going to see that right now there is a message that says Mendel has an exam on Monday. If I click on that, it's going to give me more information about the exam. And the teacher can then go back in and apply grades by clicking this green button over here, make different changes, view and edit, send out emails, again, send out notifications to parents. So you have all these options. Once you're inside, the teacher will be able to log in and make all these types of changes and all these types of messages out to the parents. And again, if they're adding more students, the same way, you just click Add Students, Add Families, Add Teachers, and that's basically a brief overview of the school database system.